In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app. Now tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner and use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one. Now you can adjust it however you want to. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then click on one of those repeat options, ring once, work. You can tap on each day, adjust it and hit OK. Or custom to pick days of the week by tapping on the ones you wish to add. When you're ready, hit alarm name and label it. Choose ringtone and either pick one of those options. Click on, for example, classic. Select perfect melody by clicking on it and go back. Log in to Spotify after clicking on it here. Or choose on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone. Finally, choose vibrate to pick one of those patterns. Disable vibrations by choosing no vibration or synchronizing it with ringtone. Go back again, choose snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it on or off thanks to this switcher next to it. Go back one last time and save your new alarm by hitting done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick whatever you want to in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit done. To get rid of it, just hold it and tap on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!